how to use the 10D laser. Now we will install the screen for the machine. Align the holes, then insert the screws. The final step is to tighten the screws. There are a total of 4 screws. Next, connect this cable to the machine. Okay, next step. Now we will install the shelf. Insert the 4 screws. Then tighten them securely. Okay, next step. Install the light paddle onto the shelf by aligning the holes. Insert the screws. Use the tool to tighten the screws firmly. Then connect this cable to the white connector. Insert the cable into the machine. To remove the cable, press the silver button and pull it out. When inserting, align the hole and push it in. Make sure it is fully locked. Okay. This is the water inlet hole. This is the water outlet hole and the air outlet hole. When filling water into the machine, we need to connect 2 tubes. Insert the water cup tube into the water inlet hole. Okay. Insert the other tube into the air outlet hole. Before inserting the tube, press the silver button. Make sure the tube tip is facing upward. Then insert the tube. Now we can fill the water. When the water tank is full, water will come out from the air outlet hole. To release the water from the machine, connect 2 tubes again. 1 tube goes into the water inlet hole. The other tube goes into the water outlet hole. Water will flow out through the outlet hole. After starting the machine, this screen will appear. This is the settings page. Here you can select the language and adjust the screen brightness. After setting, press Save. This is the cryo pad setting. You can set the temperature here. The minimum temperature is -10 degrees. Set the treatment time. Here is the EMS function. You can turn it on or off as needed. These are the EMS modes. Okay. After setting, press the Start button. This is the laser setting page. You can adjust the light intensity and speed. There are 2 available operating modes. Set the treatment time here. You can choose whether the light is on or off. There are a total of 10 pads. After setting, press Ready. Mode A is continuous mode. Mode B is pause mode. This is continuous mode. This is pause mode. Before using the cryo pad, apply the anti-freezing membrane to the pad. Next, attach the band. Secure it onto the treatment area. Then place the cryo pad onto the area properly.